is life.
This is my simple, yet beautiful house. Join me today on taking a challenge of creating an entire house using only shapes. Have you ever thought that building a house could be so easy using shapes? You heard it right! Let's begin with triangle for our roof. Big rectangle for the structure of our house. Let's put a rectangle for our door and small circle for our door lock. Then, draw small squares for our windows. I would love having a chimney on top of my roof. I will put a rectangle on it with the small circles for its smoke. It would also be nice if we have a tree, right? Let's draw a vertical rectangle for the trunk of our tree, then a triangle on top of it for the leaves. Let's not forget the sun because it is a nice daylight. Let's draw a small triangle for sun rays. Shining, shimmering sun. We can also add little birds flying in the sky by drawing small triangles to create one. Amazing, right? House. Fun time. There is a hidden cute butterfly in my garden. Can you help me find it? Clue. It always wants to be seen first. I hope you had the idea of where to find it. Enjoy!